मैं ये समस्या हल कर सकता हूँ। I can solve this problem. I can solve this problem. क्या वह मुझे पहचान सकता है? Can he recognize me? Can he recognize me? हम समय पर पहुंच सकते हैं। We can reach on time. We can reach on time. वह गाड़ी चला सकती है। She can drive a car. She can drive a car. तुम मुझ पर भरोसा कर सकते हो। You can trust me. You can trust me. तुम्हें रोज व्यायाम करना चाहिए। You should exercise daily. You should exercise daily. उसे अपने वादे निभाने चाहिए। He should keep his promises. He should keep his promises. हमें दूसरों की मदद करनी चाहिए। We should help others. We should help others. तुम्हें चिंता नहीं करनी चाहिए। You should not worry. You should not worry. क्या मुझे उससे बात करनी चाहिए? Should I talk to him? Should I talk to him? मैं कल तुम्हें फोन करूंगा। I will call you tomorrow. I will call you tomorrow. वह जल्द वापस आएगा। He will return soon. He will return soon. हम आपकी प्रतीक्षा करेंगे। We will wait for you. We will wait for you. क्या वे हमारे साथ आएंगे? Will they come with us? Will they come with us? मैं कभी हार नहीं मानूंगा। I will never give up. I will never give up. क्या मैं खिड़की खोलूं? Shall I open the window? Shall I open the window? क्या हम बैठक शुरू करें? Shall we begin the meeting? Shall we begin the meeting? हम आपकी सहायता करेंगे। We shall help you. We shall help you. हम फिर से प्रयास करेंगे। We shall try again. We shall try again. क्या मैं आपका बैग उठाऊं? Shall I carry your bag? Shall I carry your bag? आज धूप निकल सकती है। It may be sunny today. It may be sunny today. वह हमें बाद में फोन कर सकता है। He may call us later. He may call us later. मैं आज व्यस्त हो सकता हूँ। I may be busy today. I may be busy today. क्या मैं आपका मोबाइल इस्तेमाल कर सकता हूँ? May I use your mobile? May I use your mobile? वे आज न आ सकें। They may not come today. They may not come today. शायद वह सच कह रहा हो। He might be telling the truth. He might be telling the truth. शायद मैं कल वहां जाऊं। I might go there tomorrow. I might go there tomorrow. शायद वे हमें भूल जाएं। They might forget us. They might forget us. आज रात बिजली जा सकती है। The power might go out tonight. The power might go out tonight. शायद उसे यह पसंद आए। He might like it. He might like it. तुम्हें नियम मानने ही होंगे। You must obey the rules. You must obey the rules. हमें यह अवसर नहीं खोना चाहिए। We must not miss this opportunity. We must not miss this opportunity. तुम्हें अपना होमवर्क पूरा करना होगा। You must complete your homework. You must complete your homework. सभी को पहचान पत्र लाना होगा। Everyone must bring an ID card. Everyone must bring an ID card. क्या हमें अभी जाना होगा? Must we leave now? Must we leave now? तुम्हें अपने शिक्षकों का सम्मान करना चाहिए। You ought to respect your teachers. You ought to respect your teachers. हमें ईमानदार होना चाहिए। We ought to be honest. We ought to be honest. उसे अपनी गलती माननी चाहिए। He ought to admit his mistake. He ought to admit his mistake. तुम्हें सावधानी से गाड़ी चलानी चाहिए। You ought to drive carefully. You ought to drive carefully. हमें प्रकृति की रक्षा करनी चाहिए। We ought to protect nature. We ought to protect nature. मैं पहले बहुत तेज दौड़ सकता था। I could run very fast before. I could run very fast before. क्या तुम उसे देख सकते थे? Could you see him? Could you see him? वह बचपन में चित्र बना सकती थी। She could draw in childhood. She could draw in childhood. हम उन्हें सुन सकते थे। We could hear them. We could hear them. मैं आपकी मदद कर सकता था लेकिन व्यस्त था। I could help you, but I was busy. I could help you, but I was busy. मुझे जल्दी निकलना है। I have to leave early. I have to leave early. उसे हर दिन काम पर जाना पड़ता है। He has to go to work every day. He has to go to work every day. हमें परीक्षा की तैयारी करनी है। We have to prepare for the exam. We have to prepare for the exam. क्या तुम्हें वर्दी पहननी पड़ती है? Do you have to wear a uniform? Do you have to wear a uniform? उन्हें इंतजार करना पड़ा। They had to wait. They had to wait. मैं ये काम नहीं कर सकता। I cannot do this work. I cannot do this work. तुम्हें देर नहीं करनी चाहिए। You should not be late. You should not be late. वह शायद न जीते। He might not win. He might not win. हमें शोर नहीं करना चाहिए। We should not make noise. We should not make noise.